It's about 16 degrees outside and the sun is setting pretty soon, but I thought I was going to mill a couple of these logs real fast to get some blank stock for making some cutting boards. The next couple passes with the mill are going to really illuminate the grain, which I'm very excited to see. This is red maple. This is ash that was dead standing. And I'm super excited to see what's inside this knot. And just look at that ash. I love it so much. Bucket's full on 2 passes. That's 4 gallons, by the way, and these are not even very large logs. This is hard to do one-handed. Put them there. Let's see what this guy looks like. Oh my gosh. Very deep color. Oh, it's hollow. Interesting. The lighting is really good right now to show you something. See these lines? You see the very fine lines in between these big ones? These big ones are a single tooth that is bent ever so slightly more than the rest of them. And I can't find it. I wasn't trying to put this pattern into the wood, but some people do this on purpose to get this rough sawn